Snowflare here. I already created my wolf and her name is Blizzard. So, I'm still calling myself Snowflare even though I changed my channel's name. I'm still gonna be calling myself Snowflare, so you'll be like... So, if you're new to this channel, you would know my real name. So, if I do change it, you will be like, why did you change your Daniel's name? So, the Wolf Quest is now available on phones. I downloaded this off the Play Store. I typed in Wolf Quest, and it's the top one. And you have to see this painted icon that looks like a wolf. So the movements we use the joystick. Scented view is this weird thing right here. How is this? World map. Is this rest sleep? Emotes, pause, options. If the game is laggy, tap the pause button. Then tap the game settings into a lower quality level. Also try changing the vegetation in Destiny. Tablets must draw more pixels than phones, so they require lower quality levels. Then I'm okay. Let's close this. How hard of life? We'll say challenging. We want it to be hard, but not too hard. Like, I am a newbie with this, so let's try seeing this. Oh gosh, let me get rid of my face cam. Cow elk. Dang it, there's two fish. How do I speed? It was so close. We're getting closer. I'm a hungry pop. Let me eat you. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, that's the emote. Okay, how do I bait? How do I bait? Okay, let's just follow my instincts. Let's head south. That's gotta be worth some of it. Plus, I'm gonna have to be careful when I'm walking around because there's bears, I think. Like, I haven't picked my difficulty to be too hard, but I think there's gonna be bears. So let's follow my instincts. I'm hungry. Why don't you let me eat you? Let's see if there's any elk carcasses or food. Because there gotta be some wild animals that eat others. Oh, hey! Hey! I am a wolf. How are you? I am a beautiful white wolf. Not pure white, but it's white. Okay, let's... I need a rest. We'll wait, like walk. Auto saving, that's good. I like these graphics. They're so darn good. There's There's gotta be any food. Let's see where the world. Okay. I'm heading to the barn. Whatever. Close map. So I think it's like right here. I'm also getting hungry and I haven't found any food yet. I also think I'm catching down on something, so sorry if I sound miserable. Elk hunting grounds. You enter the elk hunting ground. There's an elk herd around here somewhere. Use your scent view nose button to locate the herd scent. Then follow the brightest color to the herd. Watch the wind directions. You better approach the herd from downwind. Okay. Okay. I'm getting a picture of a sense. So let's go slow. Like, this is what people think elk 9 moments ago. I think it wants me to rest. Oh my gosh. That means a carcass.
I got it.
A carcass. I think that's a carcass. Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you. I'm hungry. Sorry, I'm hungry. Eat. I will leave the rest for you guys. So yeah, okay. I will eat your carcasses. See, I'm friendly. I'm a nice wolf. Yes, thank you for sharing. You're the best foxes out there. I was really hungry. Or that just means something else. So let's get to the Douglas Forest. That's what it's probably pronounced. I know I didn't build you with that much speed, but I made you bulky so you was capable to fight lots of people if you need to. Let's rest. No, you cannot sleep yet. Sorry. Auto saving. Let's see how close I am to that forest. Well, I'm starting to turn the wrong way. Close map. Okay, now we're heading the right way. Circus! Oh, these are the elk hunting grounds. Oh, crap. Let's get rid of all this junk. Yes, I'm running out of space really quickly as well. I'm gonna try not to. Let's see if I can. Spiteful little pop-up. Okay, let's turn this way because this is where the amethyst plains were, I guess. No wrong direction. Okay, I'm heading now to the right direction. Dawn. Yes. Wake up. I love the animations in this game. Okay, I'm kind of hungry and my nose is sounding miserable. We're getting close. Okay. You enter in a territory of another wolf pack. There's a strange wolf out there around somewhere. Use your sense. Use the nose button to locate the sense. Follow the biggest, brightest color to the wolf if you dare. You are looking for a mate of the opposite sex, which is gender if you don't know. But you have to meet lots of wolves before you find one. To hide this message, go to the options and right click on top right. Okay. Okay, let's try to follow this sense. We don't want to exit. I want to go in the middle because that's where scents are going to be coming from. Yes, I managed to get in the middle, pointing in the middle, okay. Ah, crap. Uh-oh. No, run away, go away. No, should I be able to take on a bear? I made myself bulky. Yeah, I should. Hey, Mr. Bear! How are you? Fine today? I'll leave you alone, I'm just hungry. I'm hungry. What's up? I'm no threat to you. It just says a bear in the background. I'm technically stronger than you, but I'll be nice. You're stronger than I am. Get going. I'll be going now.
Should I go to Smoothie?
I'm low on health. Sorry, I can't.
Smoothie, I'm coming for that.
Ugh. Yeah, I know I need to eat, but there's a bear. And I'm low on health. When I make my new series, I'm gonna make sure my body's a lot more bulkier.
Okay, I'm bleeding.
With the nose. I thought that was food. I need food desperately. I cannot rest, and I will be suddenly. Well, I guess it's time for us to go up to the next wolf pack and stay away from danger. These are the adventures of Blizzard as a proper wolf as she clearly is. Blizzard, the magnificent light blue wolf. Coyote, can I eat? Can I attack? Yes, please, the coyote, come back. I'm starving. What am I supposed to eat right now? I'm a sliver of health. Well, this is it for my new series on Wolf Quest. I'm gonna be doing another series where I start as Artemis after when I finish this series. So I'm gonna have Pup soon as I find myself a man, and I'm gonna name him Artemis. I'm gonna name him something like Artemis because you know how they're two shipped. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna be playing it for a little and see if I can get far. But not too far where I'm actually close to getting a Pup. Wait, attack! Bite! Get food! Need. Oh crap! Try blowing it out. Harder.
Okay, got it out.
Please. Yes.
Lion can take pants. Soon it's gonna be pants. Oh.
Is it possible that I can eat you? Please. I need food. That bear won't share anything with me.
Sorry, I'm watching the
It disappeared. It's a wizard.
Oh yeah.
So as I said, this is it. Snowflare is signing out. Goodbye. Sorry, I cannot eat you. I wish I can. Bye.